Everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim. I just came in to do a really quick comparison video. Also, I would like to say welcome to my new subscribers and what's up to the people who've been on my channel for a while now. Thank you for always coming back and checking me out. I know I don't really put videos up that often on this channel, but I got one for y'all today. Okay, today, and by the way, these bottles has been opened. I've already drunk some of the liquor. I'm just doing a comparison with all of the honey whiskeys. This, the Jack Daniel Tennessee Honey. We took this on a camping trip with us, and it's okay. This, the Wild Turkey American Honey. This is my ride or die. I absolutely love this American honey whiskey. This is my number one pick. This stuff is really good with lemonade. Super good. And I got a couple of the little bottles. I've never had Jim Beam honey before. Okay, there we go. And I've never had this Evan Williams honey. I don't even know nothing about Evan Williams, to be real honest. So I'm gonna compare them. And I also got a little bottle of the American honey. So I'm gonna try them out. I'm gonna see what's up with them and see if they good, if they could stand up to my ride or die, if I'm gonna be falling in love with the new honey whiskey, or am I gonna stick to my OG? We gonna see. Okay, I already know off the bat this ain't gonna win. I already know that. I know a lot of people love Jack Daniels. I'm just not a big fan of it. I don't even know if I don't think I've ever tried the regular Jack Daniels. I don't know. But I do have, just did a video on it. I do have the apple Tennessee apple. And it's just okay. I think I prefer, ooh, the bottle was open. I think I prefer Crown apple better. Okay, so I'm gonna just pour a little bit of this up. And I got all different cups so I can know exactly what's what. Okay, here we go. Tennessee honey. It's good, don't get me wrong. The Tennessee honey is good. To me, it has almost like a cinnamon flavor, almost like Big Red gum almost. Yeah, it's good, but to me it don't really come across as honey. My ride or die, the OG Wild Turkey American Honey. This stuff is good. Let me drink a little water. Okay, Wild Turkey American Honey. This is good. It's smooth, no kickback. It tastes like honey and not cinnamon. This is good. Add some lemonade with it too. Yes, this is good. But I think all of these gonna have a slight, this one has a slight cinnamon flavor, but you get that sweet honey flavor. But I could tell they probably added a little cinnamon or something in it. I don't know, but that's good. Okay, now we're gonna go with the Jim Beam honey. I'm gonna go with this cup. Okay, here we go. Let me drink some water. Wow. Wait a minute, y'all. Wow. That's not bad. That Jim Beam tastes almost like the wild turkey. Wow. Wow. Wild turkey and Jim Beam taste almost alike. I think the Jim Beam has a little bit more of that, I don't know if that's cinnamon or what that is in it. Whatever it is, it just has a hint more of it. Even though all of these says, you know, pure honey, made with honey. And let's move on to the Evan Williams. We're going to do it out of this cup. Wow, can't believe it. Okay, just a little bit. We ain't going to fill it up. We're just tasting. The Evans Williams, it's a little bit stronger. It's a little bit stronger. It's not as smooth as the other ones. And the flavor, it don't have that cinnamon like. I don't know. I don't like this one. This ain't my pick at all. I don't like this one. I don't know. It's something different about this one. About that Evans William. It's sweet. I don't like that one. I don't like that one at all. It's almost like it's a little too sweet. And then you get that that slight kick. It's not as smooth as the other ones. So I gotta figure out which one do I prefer. Let's go. Let me figure out which one is my favorite out of all four of these. Most definitely not that Evans one. That's gross. The wild turkey and the Jim Beam is so close, I can't even decide. I'm sorry. Wild turkey and Jim Beam, y'all get it. Y'all get it. Y'all already know. Every time I want a honey, I always buy this. Always. Now, I don't know how this Jim Beam gonna stand up if to mixing it with like lemonade, because that's normally how I drink this one. I normally mix it with lemonade and it is just amazing. If you want a good beverage, you want to mix it up, you got people coming over that really don't drink, mix it with the lemonade. I'm telling y'all, you will not go wrong with it. It's a winner. Take my word. If y'all don't listen to nothing else I say, take my word. Mixing these, any one of these, now it don't mix to lemonade, don't mix good with that Jack Daniels. That's the reason why I really don't like it. But mix anyone, now I don't know, mix this one, I'm gonna just say this one, mix this wild turkey with lemonade, it's a winner. But warning, 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 be careful because it will creep up on you, because you cannot taste the liquor in the drink, in the cocktail, when you mix it with lemonade. So I'm gonna let y'all know. Don't say I didn't tell you, because I'm telling you now. If you mix this with lemonade, and it's gonna be super good, you're gonna have more drinks than what you plan on having because it's gonna be super good. So I'm gonna let you know, it's gonna sneak up on you. So warning, warning, warning. Keep that in mind. Now, I don't know how this is gonna taste with the lemonade, but because these are so close, super close, these almost taste the exact. Now, I'm not sure if this is a sister brand or what, I don't know, but these two is a winner for me. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, y'all, now I'm acting silly. So this takes number one. Both of these take the number one spot. I'll give the number two spot to the Jack Daniels. If you're the type that like more of a little bit stronger whiskey, honey whiskey, that's not real sweet, this is your way to go. This one right here. This is not as sweet as the other ones, but it got more of that cinnamon flavor. Even though this is not a cinnamon, I don't even know why I keep saying cinnamon, because I'm not even sure if they put cinnamon in here. It could be that's just how honey tastes. I don't know. But this one is not as sweet as the other two. This Evan Williams, no, don't buy this. Don't buy this. This is nasty to me. Leave this in a comment. Leave it in a comment. Do you like this flavor? Have you ever tried any of the other stuff? If so, let me know, because I'm not feeling this brand at all so far. There you go. This one, third place. I wouldn't rebuy this at all. So that's the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments at the bottom. Let me know what's your favorite honey whiskey. If you even like or tried honey whiskey, leave that at the bottom. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Be safe.